Launch SmartLink Diagnostics, smart and fast. Today, we received a request for help from the owner of a BMW 738. After replacing the TCB module, the vehicle reported a control unit device fault and a certificate fault. Without professional diagnostic equipment nearby, the owner couldn't resolve the issue and specifically sought our assistance. This is exactly where Launch SmartLink comes into play. After using the Launch CN to connect the diagnostic device to the vehicle, the first step is to read the vehicle's configuration information. Next, we code the newly replaced TCB module by writing the vehicle configuration information which is reading to the new module. After the coding is completed, this module also requires an offline authentication. We will read the authentication field and then select offline. Write the calculated authentication field into it. After successful authentication, the entire replacement and matching process is complete. Up to now, the problem was solved with Launch SmartLink. With Launch SmartLink, breaking geographical barriers, no matter the distance, as long as there's an internet connection, we can easily solve the problem.